Hi guys, I'm Manya and welcome back to my channel. I have waited so long to say this. It has been some time since I've been inactive, almost I think more than a year now since I've been inactive, and it's just good to be back and to be able to do this again. I have always done YouTube just for fun. I've always vlogged just for fun, and I'm glad that I'm attempting to get back. So here's hoping that I actually edit this vlog and post this. But it's actually super early in the morning. It is it is a very important and a hectic day ahead. It is 7 a.m. and today we have the annual note shoot. We're launching it. We're almost ending the year. We're launching the 2025 planners, and this time we also have a secret launch. By the time this video will go live, I think it will already be launched. But we're launching a new vertical, which is merch at Note. We're doing sweatshirts this time for the winter season. I'm super excited because of course it's a new vertical, new opportunities, new things that we're doing. And amidst all of this, we have Diwali. So the last couple of days and weeks have been very super hectic in managing the launch, aligning everything, making sure everything's on point, and also maintaining a social life, which is Diwali. Anyways, so it's 7 o'clock and today we are shooting for both the merch as well as the products. So yeah, the yearly planners have come out so beautiful, and so has the merch. I will be showing you everything as this vlog proceeds, but I just thought that it's a good day to be back. It's a good day to start vlogging again because there's so much happening today. And 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. is the shoot schedule, 12-hour shoot schedule, and then after that I also have to get ready and attend a Diwali party, which is also something that I cannot miss. So wish me luck and also follow me around. I think it's gonna be a great day, exciting day. I will be vlogging as much as I can, and yeah, let's begin. The makeup and hair have begun. Hello, Ria. Hello. He is wearing one of the designs. What do you think? What do you think? हाँ,
बहुत क्यूट है।
बिल्कुल भी कन्विंसिंग नहीं था।
मैं थोड़ी टायर्ड हूँ।
थोड़े टायर्ड हो? Yeah. What do you think?
I think that we are on schedule.
I don't think so.
But I have immense positivity in me today.
Okay, tell us
And
what's
I'm
happening.
just-
Excuse me, I will cut that out. Okay, tell us what's happening. Okay, we're starting with ecom. These are our new planners. This one, and where's the other one? Here is the new planner. These are our new planners. And this is the situation right now. Boxes everywhere. These are the props. And yeah, I am very scared and nervous, but it is what it is. Okay.
You vlog yourself only. Vlogging से हम missing Harmony. She's looking so pretty.
As my hair is done, and while my hair was getting done, यहाँ पे while my hair was getting done, these guys were hello, I got my hair done, and while my hair was getting done, मेरे बाल खराब हो चुके हैं. While my hair was getting done, these guys were shooting some phone shot content for the new planners. I have shown you the planners, but I will not show you anything else except for these two. These are the two sweatshirts. out of the collection, which I really like. Wait, let me show. ऐसे pose. Wow, camera में इतनी अच्छी लग रही है. Come see.
It is.
Oh my god. Very nice. These are my two models. We are happy.
ये वाली. वो लोग बना रहे हैं.
Mansha is up.
Oh my god. Anyways, ये प्लानर का शूट हो रहा है यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे भी प्लानर का शूट हो रहा है. यहाँ पे ई-कॉम हो रहा था, which is now wrapped up. ई-कॉम हमने सारा कर लिया है. So अब ऐसा लग रहा है that maybe we are on track. But I'll go get my makeup done quickly so that we can फटाफट do everything. Okay, bye. Makeup time. I've also changed in my sweatshirt. And she's here. Hi. To do my makeup. Side by side वहाँ पे reels are being shot for the planners. Our model number 5 is also here.
Hello friends.
Looking
Chai
very,
pino.
very fine in the merch. Stand up. Show what you're wearing. Give me a fit check.
Glass half full. It's empty right now. Would like a half full
Shut up.
glass.
No, don't show me. Show both of yourselves. Yeah.
Yeah, you can flip the camera.
So cute.
Oh, by the way, I'm also ready. I've done my makeup. And I think I look good. My makeup looks good, no?
Very good.
On point.
Perfect. Now we're prepping for this product setup here. And नीचे क्या हो रहा है दिया? Give us an update.
They're shooting a reel downstairs.
Yes, I think let's go downstairs.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes. इधर तो
ये दोनों रात को सोए नहीं है और ये इनकी एनर्जी पता नहीं सेविंग हो रही है या गेनिंग हो रही है. आई हैव नो क्लू बट नो यू हैव.
अरे बड़ी तो
saying
सो द मेकअप एंड हेयर आर्टिस्ट वी लेफ्ट एंड बहुत बिहाइंड स्केड्यूल चल रहे हैं हम डेफिनेटली. बट अब मुझे लग रहा है थिंग्स आर पिकिंग अप. मेरा बैकग्राउंड बहुत मैसी होगा ऑब्वियसली. मेरे रूम की बहुत बुरी हालत हो चुकी है. बट थोड़ा स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन गोइंग ऑन बट वी आर ट्राइंग टू. मेरे को लग रहा है हर क्लिप में मैं यही बोल रही हूँ कि स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन एंड लेट हो रहे हैं. राइट नाउ दिस शूट इज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन. इसके पोर्ट्रेट्स आर हैपनिंग. यहाँ पे अनदर फोन शॉट. वन शॉट. वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. अनदर फोन शॉट रील हैपनिंग हियर. प्राउड ऑफ एवरीबडी.
ध्यान से देखिए इस आदमी को.
But yeah, that's the update. Everybody is very hungry, so waiting for food.
See, the were shorts.
Yes. Oh, I really like them. सो गई है परी कुछ में तो.
Hi. We've taken over Manya's phone because she's shooting. Yes. Hi, Pari.
एक और किसकी तो
Hi guys.
बड़ा चिकन फन.
We just
क्या
we just took a short and quick lunch. वो टाल को लेके सो गई है.
वो वाली रील कर लेते हैं कि जब कुछ मिलता नहीं है सोने के लिए स्वेटशर्ट लेके सो लो.
पर हाँ स्वेटशर्ट ले लो. इसके बहुत सारे यूजर हैं. ऐसा पहनते नहीं है इसको लगाते भी अपने.
Anyways, coming back, we just took a quick break. I think we are halfway there. Are we halfway there? Halfway there? No.
यार आप भी there.
We're not halfway there. Unfortunately, it's 4 o'clock. According to our schedule, we just have 2 hours, which doesn't seem achievable right now. But we will
But
try.
we strive to achieve the impossible.
Yes, exactly. We strive to achieve the impossible, and we feel like करके दिखाएंगे 2 hours में. BRB 3:57 हो रही है. 3 minutes last मैंने दिए हैं सबको चिल करने के लिए, ब्रेक के लिए. 4 o'clock On the roll. Yes. Yes. Yes.
6 तक नहीं हुआ तो नई वीडियो में आ रहा है.
And this is a baby. I उसको बिप दिया है हमने because ये बार-बार खराब कर रही है हमारी sweatshirts. Anyways.
चिल कर ले.
Yeah. Okay. Time to go. Successfully after 10 minutes, everybody has managed to get up. What's wrong with you?
I took a long. Sorry.
सब दर्दों में है यार. Riya, what's wrong? What's wrong?
We'll play a song. And then I think
I think we need to play songs.
Energy.
रुको मैं
Oh, see? Yeah. We needed this. I'm super metro में 7 बजे सुन रहे हैं.
Did you go for the concert?
I couldn't go to the concert and that's why I was like playing Diljit, Dilluminati, music status like पूरा सुना है मैंने.
Copyright ना आ जाए. But चलो अभी तैयार कर सकते हैं. This is actually giving everybody energy. हाँ. This is actually giving everybody energy. That dead man is also waking up. I think yeah. In the gym. इससे एनर्जी मिल रही है तो अच्छा. Beats देख लो beats. BDS. Yeah. Let's go. थक गए हैं हम सब दिया.
हम खड़े भी हो पा रहे.
Stranger.
BDS. Let's go. Love. Oh, ये क्या जिंगल.
Yeah, we can take her phone shot videos, no? Don't videos.
Guys, it's 6:45. I don't even remember the last time I came on here, but we are not even close to done. I cannot believe हमें इतनी देर कैसे लग लिया. But it is what it is. I had 1,000 breakdowns in between, but we are sailing through. We are sailing through.
I think we are truly, really
Sailing
have
through.
exceeded.
I don't know what energy this man has. Chalo, picture time. Let's go. Diya, how's the Josh?
Let's go.
Let's go.
You have to also laugh.
Also I said, Anna. Also I said. नहीं said.
You also have to laugh.
So ये वाला पैर थोड़ा सा ऐसे करो. And like ये वाला पैर इसके ऊपर से लगा लो.
मैं कर रहा हूँ. मेरे कर जाएंगे.
It just means.
बताओ यार.
ये ठीक है?
हाँ.
मेरा एंगल दिख रहा है? थोड़ा स्ट्रेट अप.
इसको थोड़ा वैसे लाओ. और हाइट नीचे करो उसकी. ये साइड और लाओ. हाँ नीचे करो हाइट. और नीचे करो जितनी नीचे कर सकते हो और नीचे करो. थोड़ा सा ऐसे टाइट करना. हाँ. तो थोड़ा सा इसको नीचे.
ओके माने पोज.
देखो सुबह एक मैसेज है. 6:40. Bring my lipstick.
Happy. Have you seen that cat dance? Have you seen that cat dance? Happy.
I know the song, but I haven't seen the dance. It's been more than 12 hours.
उसके बाद maybe we take a close-up shots.
तो फोटोज का नहीं.
More than 13 hours.
Oh, it's been more than 13 hours now. And we're still going. बीच में actually stopped vlogging because बहुत tension वाला माहौल हो गया था. There was so much that we had to do and we were not able to do. But now I'm back, guys. ये last reel चल रही है.
और फिर उसके बाद लास्ट के लिए ना जिसमें यहाँ पे ओपन इट अप एंड
Inhale calm, exhale chaos.
Yeah. Hello. It's 10:17 to be precise, 10:20 approximately, and everybody just left. Like the team just left. I know I look like a wreck, but everybody just left like 10 minutes, 15 minutes ago, and I took good 30 minutes. I started cleaning up while they were here only. They were packing up. I started cleaning up, but it took good 30 minutes to clean up everything. And my room definitely looks in a much better place now. And you would think that the day is over, but it's actually not. As I said in the morning also, that we are going to a Diwali party, to a friend's Diwali party, and I have to attend. Like, I cannot miss this. I know it for a fact. By the way, beach में मेरे को realize हुआ this also area जहाँ हम shoot रहे थे, मैंने सब कुछ clean कर दिया है. The shoot went well. This, as you can see, makeup लग गया है. This is another sweatshirt that I'm wearing. The shoot went well. I'm really excited and nervous also, the outcomes also, because the photographer and the videographer, the team that we were shooting with, it was a new team comparatively. I've never shot with these people before, so I really don't know how their editing is, how their color grading, everything is. So I'm really tensed, but I'm also looking forward to the launch and everything. I also, in between लास्ट शॉट चल रहे थे, मैंने फटाफट अपना मेकअप रिमूव कर लिया था बिकॉज एंड लेंसेज उतार दिए थे बिकॉज मेरी आइज़ में बहुत पेन हो रहा था. मैं सुबह 6 o'clock सुटी थी या सो मेरे आइज़ में इतना पेन हो रहा था बिकॉज आई हैव बीन अप सिंस 5 AM एंड आई स्लेप्ट ऑल्सो लास्ट नाइट अराउंड 2. तो मैं लिटरली 3 hours सोई हुई हूँ लास्ट 48 hours में. एंड माई लेंसेज वर जस्ट नॉट हैविंग इट नाउ. तो मैंने सोचा मेकअप रिमूव और लेंसेज रिमूव कर देती हूँ. आई हैव गुड 30-40-50 minutes टू ब्रीथ जब तक मेरा फुटेज ट्रांसफ़र हो रहा था. फोटोग्राफर एंड द वीडियोग्राफर वाज ट्रांसफरिंग फुटेज एंड मैं क्लीन अप कर रही थी सब कुछ, पूरा घर. नाउ आई विल start getting ready and then go. I think I'll reach by 12, but it's Diwali. It is what it is. I'm gonna go start getting ready quickly and then leave for the Diwali party. That's the plan. And yeah, it's been a very, very hectic day, but I'm still excited, nervous, everything for the new launch. I really, really hope you guys like the sweatshirts. And yeah, now let's start getting ready. Hello guys. I honestly don't know who am I. Like I don't know. I'm shocked at myself today. I took some time, which is usual, 1 hour to hota hi hai, but I'm ready. And yeah, it's 11:30. I'm just waiting for my driver. He'll be here in another, I think, 15-20 minutes. And then I'm gonna leave. And I think I'll reach the party by 12:30, which I think is fine. My friends can at least give me that much. If I have been shooting till 10:30, it's only fair. I'm allowed. Okay. I think if I can, I will record the rest of the night, but I don't think I will be able to. But yeah, if not, then I will conclude the vlog right here. I wish you a very, 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 very happy and prosperous Diwali to everyone who's watching, to you, your families, for everyone who's celebrating together. Make sure you have friends around, make sure you have office friends around, or even if you're alone, make sure to have fun, dress up for yourself, take yourself out. And I think I have been there. For one Diwali, I was alone. And I know it sucks, but I honestly, just dress up for yourself. Go out, go for a good Indian dinner. And yeah, I think that will click pictures, send it to your family. And I'm sure they'll also be missing you. And yeah, you'll have a lot of fun. But I will end the vlog right here. Let me know what you think. I really hope this comeback is sort of taken well. And you guys are enjoying this. And yeah, I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Love you. Happy Diwali.